Okay, so this is my guava tree, and we have some beautiful guavas coming, lots of them on the tree. And I use the leaves for, I actually use the leaves in my oil pulling, and it really helps with bleeding gums and inflammation of the gums. The leaves have been traditionally used also as part of a formula with pomegranate leaves when I'm doing formulas for women's health, endometriosis or period cramps or pains. And the guavas, we use them ripe, but I like to use them in the raw food world for jams, part of my green smoothie, which I've introduced you to before because they're a very high source of vitamin C. And then I use them as well in barbecue sauce, especially when I'm doing cauliflower wings. I like to use them in that area. You can collect the pulp when you have it in season and then freeze them and use them later in different things. So this is guava.